Welcome to the mathematics with exercises. It is the second part of the rational numbers. In my last video it was about the first part of the rational number. So today we will study the second part of the rational numbers. Operations on rational numbers. Today we will study about the multiplications. What is multiplication in rational numbers? The numerators are multiplied by and returned to the numerator. The denominators are multiplied by and returned to the denominators. There is no equalization in the denominator. In multiplication, we are going to multiply them directly. We are not going to make the equalization in denominator. Like 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. We are not going to make equal these denominators. It is in additions. In multiplication, we are going to multiply them directly. Like in this question, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So in multiplication we are going to multiply them directly, denominator with denominator, numerator with numerator. In addition we are going to make them equal, like the denominators are equal. But in multiplication we are not going to do that one. We are going to multiply them directly. Let's solve these multiplication questions. They are given below. Like in this question, 20 multiplied by 3 by 4. So there is a 1. We know that there is a 1, but we are not going to write it. So now 20 multiplied by 3 is 60. And 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. In addition, we are going to make the denominators equal, but in multiplication, we are going to multiply them directly. And after multiplication we can simplify them. Like now I can simplify this one with the 2 2s are 4, and I can make it more simplified, like with 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30. So our final result will be 15 by 1. And let's come to this question. Minus 6 by 5 multiplied by 10 by 3. Minus 6 multiplied by 10. Let's if you want you can simplify them here before multiplication. Like 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. I can simplify this one, and I can also simplify this one also. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now it will become easy for us. If you will simplify them before multiplication, it will be easy for you. Like 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, and there is a minus. Minus 2 multiplied by minus plus 2, it will be minus. So our final result will be minus 4. Let's come to this question. It is 3 fractions. How we will multiply by 3 fractions. It will also be same, like we will multiply by these 3 and these three denominators. Before multiplication I will look if they can be simplified. Yes, they can be simplified. Like 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Now I can these 3 can also be simplified with each other. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So now I can multiply by them. Now it will be easy for me. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 will give me 1, and 8 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 will give me 16. So our result is 1 by 16. In this question there are also 3 fractions. So first I have to solve this one because they both are in negative. So negative and negative will give me positive, and 3 multiplied by 2 will give me 6, and 1 multiplied by 1 will give me 1. So these both brackets will give me 1 by 6, and this minus will give me positive. Now our question is 4.5. 4 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 6. 4 1s are 4, 5 6s are 30. I can simplify this one with simplify it with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 15s are 13. So our final result will be 2 by 15. Before multiplication you can simplify the numerators that are multiple in the numerator and denominator. It is talking about simplify. Before multiplication, if you can simplify them, it will be good for you, because they will be easy for you. Like if 3 by 7 multiplied by 4 by 9, these are very big numbers. If I can simplify them, that will make the problem easy for me. If in addition we are not going to multiply by, in addition we are not going to simplify each other. This simplification is just in multiplication. Like 3, these are multiple of each other, so I can simplify them with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now I can multiply by them. Now they are easy for me. 4 ones are 4, 7 threes are 21. So our final result is this one. Just put in your mind that if it is addition, so in addition we are not going to make them simplify. This is in multiplication. So let's come to this question. Let's see this question. There is any we can simplify them. Just look at the question before solving the multiplication question. Just look at them if they can be simplified. So first you have to simplify it, because it will make the question easy for you. Okay, I can simplify these two. 11 with 11, I can simplify them. 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. Okay, now I can simplify them anymore. Yes, I can simplify them with the 3. 3 2s are 6, with the 34. Now okay, I can make it more simplify. Yes, I can make it more simplify with 2. 2 ones are 2, 217. These are 34. So now I can multiply them. Now they will be easy for me. 3 ones are 3, 17 ones are 17. The final result is 17. Of course, simplification is not compulsory, but it would be better if it is done from the viewpoint of practice. Of course, you don't know, it is not compulsory that you will make the simplification, but if you will make simplification, it will be good for you. It will make the question easy for you. You will do it easily. You will do it fast. So in the viewpoint of fast, so you can simplify them. It will make it easier. Let's find the result of this question. What is the question? 10 by 101 multiply by 3, 3 all 3 by 100 multiply by 2 all 2 by 99. So in my previous videos, if you have watched them, like how I was multiplying this, I was going to multiply by with this, then I am going to add this one with him. So I will multiply with this and I will add 2 with it. So 10 100. First I have to solve this. 100 multiplied by 3 is 300, and plus 3 303. The denominator will remain same. I have to multiply by this with 99 and add 2 in it. 99 multiplied by 2 will give me 99 multiplied by 2 100, 198, and under 2 it will be 200. So in this kind of question, it will be more difficult for us if I will multiply by all these 3. So before multiplying this, I will simplify them. Like in this questions, I will multiply by this with denominator and I will add numerator with it. I will multiply by denominator with 2 and I will add 2 with it. Okay. Now I will see I can simplify them. Yes, I can simplify them. I can simplify this one with 100. 100 ones are 100. 100 twos are 200. There is any more simplification? Yes, I can simplify this one. 101, 103. Can you see more simplification? Yes, I can simplify this one with 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. So 33. Now it will be easy for us if I will multiply it now. 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. 33 multiplied by 1 will give me 33. Our final result is this one. Let's do the division in rational numbers. How we are going to multiply by we have done multiplication, now we will do division. When two fractions are divided with each other, the first fraction will remain same and the second fraction will be written in opposite, and then multiplication option will be done. In division, what we will do, we will write this, the first fraction will write the same, and we will write the opposite of this one, and we will do multiplication. We will change this sign in multiplication, and we will change this one, the opposite of this one. Now I will solve one question for you people, you will understand it. In division, we will write this one same, the first one will remain same, 8 by 3, and this division sign will change in multiplication, and this 9 by 2 will be in opposite, we will write it in opposite, 2 by 9. In division, what we will do, in division we are going to write this one the same, and we are going to write the opposite of the second fraction, denominator in numerator and numerator in the denominator. Now we can multiply by them. 2 8s are 16, and 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Now I will see I can simplify them. No, I can't simplify them, they will remain like this. Now let's come to this question. What we will do, first we will write the first fraction same and the opposite of the second one. This will be changed in multiplication, and this will be the opposite of the second one. Now I will see there is any simplification. Yes, I can make simplification with 5. These two, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So our final result will be 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5, 4 3s are 12. It is our final result. We can solve this division questions. It is also a type of division, like this sign is called division, it's in fraction. So I will do in division, I will write this one same, and I will write this one in opposite, and I will put the multiplication sign, like 12 by 49 multiply by, I will write the opposite of the second one, 56 divided by 24. Now I will check, I can make them simplify. Yes, I can make simplification in this question. Like I can make simplification in this 2 in this 12 and 24. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and I can make simplification in those two with 7. 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. Now this question is became easy for us. Now we can multiply them very easily. So 8 1s are 8, 14. Yeah, we can simplify them more, because with 2, like 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. So our final result is 4 by 7. Let's come to this question. In this question it is 20 divided by 4 by 5. So if there is nothing, it means there is 1, as we know that it is always written like 21 by 1. So in this question I will write the first fraction same, so it is 1. As you know, we are not going to write 1 always, but 20 by 1 multiply by, I will write this one in opposite, 5 by 4. If it is 4 by 5, so I will write it 5 by 4, and I will put multiplication sign. Now before multiplication I will see if there is any simplification. Yes, I can make it simplify with 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 25. So now 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, and 1 multiplied by 1. So as always we are not going to write 1. So the final result, final answer is 25. Let's come to this question. First fraction will be the same, 1 by 2, and multiply by the opposite of the second one. So if it is 4 by 9, so it will be 9 by 4. Now you can multiply by them. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9, and 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Let's come to this question. It is 10 by 7 divided 20. So there is a 1. The first one will remain same, 10 by 7, and the opposite of the second one, like if it is 20 by 1, so I will write 1 by 20. Now I will go for simplification. I will see if they can be simplified. Yes, there are simplifications are there. I can simplify this one with 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So our final result will be 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. The final result is 1 by 14. What is the result of this question? These both are in bracket, so I will take them out of the bracket. This minus, okay, 39, first one will remain same. In division, first one will remain same, and I will write the opposite of the second fraction. So first one will be minus 39 by 17. This division sign will be changed into multiplication, and I will write the opposite of this one, 34 minus 13. Now I will go for simplification. I will check if there is we can make it simplify. Yes, we can make it simplify. I can make simplify this. Both are 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34. I can make simplify it with 17, and this one I can simplify with 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 threes are 39. So now you can multiply them. 3 twos are 6, but there is minus, don't forget this minus 6, and 1 multiplied by minus 1, there is also one minus, so minus 1 minus minus will give me plus. So the answer of this question is 6. Let's solve this question. What will be the result of this question? It is little bit big question. First I will solve the bracket. Whenever you will see any question, so first you will solve the brackets. Now in bracket I will solve first these two, because division is more important. If you will see the operation in any question, if you will see any operation, so first we have to go for division. In this question I will go for division, and this one will be, the first one will remain same, and I will write the opposite of this one, 9 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 3. So I will go for simplification first. Yes, I can simplify them. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. So the answer of this one is 3 by 2, and it is plus 1 by 2. So now it is division, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. As you remember that we are going to make the denominator same, so the denominators are same. I will just add the numerators. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now this one whole is 4 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 5. Now I will see we can simplify any question. No, we can't simplify, so I will multiply them directly. 3 fours are 12, 5 twos are 10. Now you can simplify them at the end with 2. You can simplify them. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. So our final result is 6 by 5. Let's come to this question. Let's find the result of this question. In this question there are two brackets, this bracket and other bracket. So first I have to solve this bracket. As you know, as remember in previous videos, I was going to solve this question with fast way, like 5 multiplied by 3. I was going to multiply by with this, and I was going to add or subtract what was there. So I will do that fast way. If you don't remember, I can do it here for you people. It is, if it is I will do it here for you people. 3 minus 3 by 5. So as you know, in previous I was going to make the denominator same. There is a 1, so I was going to multiply by this one with 5, and this with 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15 minus 3 by 5. Now the denominator is the same, so I can just add the I can subtract the numerators. 15 minus 3 will give me 12. Answer is 12. But I am going to do it with the fast way. 3 with 5 multiply by 3 with 5, 5 3s are 15, minus 3 will give me 12 by 5. Now the question is this one will give me 12 by 5. Now the question is 12 by 5 divided by 3 over 10. Now I will do this question. If it is in division, I will change it in multiplication. I will write the first fraction as same, 12 by 5 multiplication. I will write the opposite of this one, 10 by 3. Now I will go for simplification. I will check for simplification. Yes, I can simplify them with 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, and I can simplify these both. 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. Now I can multiply them. 4 2s are 8, 1 1s are 1. So this whole will give me, this whole bracket will give me 8 by 1 and minus 3. 8 by 1 minus 3 by 8. Now it is a in subtraction, so I will make the denominator same. Now I will go to make the denominator same. How I will make the denominator same? This one I will multiply by with 8 and this one with 1. So if I will multiply by with 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64, minus this one will be remain the same. So now the denominators are same. Now I can subtract them. 8 and it will be 61 if I will subtract 3 from 64. So our final result is 61 by 8. What is written first? We should solve the brackets. If there are more than one brackets, then we must start it from the innermost brackets. In my last videos I also told you about this. First we have to solve the brackets. If there are more than one bracket, then we are going to start from the inner brackets, these inner brackets. Now in this question there are two brackets, so I will solve this inner bracket. Like this is 3, this is 4. So how I will make the denominator same? I will multiply by this with 4 and I will multiply by this with 3. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 1s are 4, minus 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. Now the denominators are same, so I can now subtract them. So it will give me 12 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So this bracket is giving me 1 by 12 plus 1. As you remember, I was going to multiply by this with fast way. 12 multiplied by 1 is 12 plus 1 will give me 13 by 12. If you don't remember this fast way, you can go as like I was going to put there 1 and I was going to making the equal denominators. So if it will take so much time, it will be good for you if you will multiply by them with fast way, like 12 multiplied by 1 is 12 plus 1, it will give me 13 by 12. So now our question is 13 by 12 divide by 13 by 12. Now I will change this one in multiplication like it is in division. So in division what I was going to do, I was going to write the first one same, 13 by 12, and this will change in division. If you are going to change any division in multiplication, so you will write this one in opposite. Second fraction will be in opposite. Now it is 13 by 12, I will write it 12 by 13. Now I will see if there is, we can make it simplify. Yes, we can make it simplify, because we can make it simplify with 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, and 13 with 13. So our result is 1. Our final result is 1. Let's come to this question. What is the result of this question? First I will solve this one. Like this is a very big question. Like the denominators are very big. If I will multiply this with 51 and this with 34, so it will be very complicated for us and it will be very long question. So how I will do with this, I will just look at this. Okay, this one 17 multiplied by 2 will give me 34, and 17 multiplied by 3 will give me 15. Oh, now I got the answer. I will multiply by this with 3 and this with 2. Then they will give me the same denominators. Like if I multiply by this with 2, 51 multiplied by 2 will give me 102, and 34 multiplied by minus 34 multiplied by 3 will give me 102, and 3 fours are 12 minus 2 fours are 8. Now the denominator is same. Now I can do subtraction. Like 102 will be same. Just I will subtract this one, that will be 4 if I will subtract 8 from 12. So now this part is 4 by 102. Now this 17 by 4. Now I will do this one in the corner for you people. 17 by 4 multiplied by 400 102. Now I can simplify them. Yes, I can simplify them with this one with 4 and this one with 17. I can, let's check, we can simplify this one. Yes, we can simplify with 17. With which number? Let me check this one. Okay, it will remain same. Now I will do this one. Let me check this one. If I can multiply by with 17, or I can simplify this one with 102. Yeah, if I will multiply by 17 with 6, yes, I can multiply. I can simplify this with 17. 17 ones are 17. 17 6 are 102. So now this one, this whole question will be, this one will be 1116. Now this part has given me like, now I will write this one here for you people. 5 by 6 and plus 1 by 6. The denominators are same, so if denominators are same, so I can add them. 5 plus 1 is 6. I solved this all the part. It has given me 6 by 6, and outside there is a 5 by 6 plus 6 by 6. So the denominators are same. Now I can add the numerators. 11 by 6. Let's find the result of this question. What will be this question? As you know, I was going to multiply by this with first. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 minus 1 will give me 9 by 5, and this one 5 2s are 10 plus 1 will give me 11 by 5, and divided by 9 by 11. Now first I will solve this one, then I will this one. This is also division, this is also division. Okay, now I will solve this first. 9 5. I will write the first one as the same. 9 by 5 multiply by, I will write the opposite of this one. 5 by 11. I can make them simplify. Yes, I can make them with 5 1 1. So 9 ones are 9, 11. Now this part will give me 9 by 11, and there is a division sign, and the second part is 9.11. Now I will change this division in multiplication sign, so first one will remain same, and the opposite of multiplication, division sign will change in multiplication, and I will write this one in opposite. 11 by 9. Now we can simplify them with 11. This one 11 ones are 11, and 9 ones are 9. So our final result is 1. Let this kind of question, this is a little bit big. In this kind of questions with more than one fraction, there are more than one fraction, like there is one fraction and there is one fraction. The one fraction line operations are performed starting from the upper end or from the lower end. If I will say myself, if I am going to solve them from the upper one. If more than one fractions line will come, so you have to solve them from upper side or from the lower side. So as you will ask from me, I will solve from the upper side. There's a 1 by 2 and there is a 2. So there is a 1. As you know, we are not going to write it. So first I will solve these two questions. So 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 1. I will solve it here for you people. So first one will remain same. I will write the opposite of the second one. If it is 2 by 1, so I will write 1 by 2. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Now my this part is came 1 minus 1 by 4. Now if I will multiply by this one with 4 1s are 4 minus 1 is will be give me 3 by 4. So this whole will give me 3 by 4 and there is a 2 by 3. So now I will solve this question. 3 by 4 divided 2 by 3. The first one will remain same and division will be changed multiplication. If it is 2 by 3, so I will write it 3 by 2. 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8. Now my question is like 1 plus 9 by 8. Now it came in this kind of question. Now it became easy for us. Now you can do the fast simplification, fast multiplication. 8 1s are 8 plus 9 will give me 8 1 17. So our final result will be 17 by 8. It is also the same kind of question. So first I will start from there. If I will go for this, I will multiply by them with first 2 1s are 2 plus 1 will give me, this part will give me 3 by 2. So now 3 by 2 and there is a 1. So I will solve this with in the corner for you, this and this. 3 by 2 multiply by 1 by 3. It's 3 by 1, so I will write 1 by 3. I can simplify them. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So 1 1. This whole will give me 1 by 2. Now this question is changed 1 minus 1 by 2. Now I will solve this one. So first I will multiply by 2 with 1 and minus 1 will give me again 1 by 2. This is finished. Now the question is 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 6. Now I will do these two fractions and at the end I will do this one. Now 1 by 2 multiply by, if it is minus 1 by 6, so it will be 6 by 1 and there is a 1 minus. So I can simplify them. Yes, I can simplify them. 2 with 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So now 3 1s are 3 and it is minus 1. So our final answer is 1 plus and it is minus 3. If I will 1 plus minus 3 will give me minus 2. Our final result is minus 2. Sequencing in rational numbers, it is also called sequencing, and also in sometimes it is called ordering, or you will order the numbers. The fraction which have equal denominators, so you will see the numerators. The fraction which has greater numerator, the fraction will be greater. In this kind of question you will see the denominators. If they have same denominators, so you will saw the numerators. The big numerator is bigger than and this sign is called bigger. As you know, if it is like this, so this number is bigger than this one. In this kind of question which have same denominators, so you will see the numerator. If it as the if the fraction has a big numerator, that is the bigger than other one. Let's solve some questions about this one. If they are not equal, so you will equalize them. If they are not equal, you are going to equalize them. Let's put in order in this kind of questions. If it is in minus, it is the smaller number. If it is a negative, it will be smaller number. Now I will check these both they have same denominator, and I will check if the which has a greater numerator, that number will be the greater. So here 8 is greater, so 8.5 is greater than 1.5. Let's check the question which has same numerators, the fraction which have equal numerators. So you will see the denominators. If they have same numerator, you will see the denominators. Okay, it is the opposite of that one. The quotient which has smaller denominator, that will be the bigger. It is the opposite of other one, like which has a numerators are same, you will see the denominators which has the smaller denominator, that fraction will be the bigger number. Okay, let's put this question in order. Let's put, if it is a negative, it will be the smaller. Negative sign is always smaller. Let's check this one. They both have same numerator, so I will check the denominators which has smaller denominator, that will be the bigger number. Like 3 is smaller, so it is the bigger than 10 by 7. Okay, in this case, if they have same numerator, so you will check the denominators. If they have same denominators, you will check the four numerators. If they are not equal, you will equalize them. If all the numbers are negative, so you will not look for the sign and you will put them in order, and at the end you will reverse that order which you found. If they are all of the fraction is in negative, so you will ignore these negative signs. First you will go for the positive, like we are doing in positive. They have same denominators, so I will put them according to that. I am going to ignore these negative signs. So if I will ignore these negative signs, I will just see the denominators are same. I will go for numerator. The bigger number is 10 by 7, greater than 2 by 7, and greater than 1 by 7. This is for positive numbers. You are going to ignore these negative signs, and at the end you will write the reverse one. This one will be the smaller. Minus 10 by 7 will be 1, and it will be the bigger number, minus 1 by 7, and at the end this one will remain same. Let me make you understand once again this question. If all of them are negative, so you will ignore these negative signs and you will put them according to positives. Like in positive, I was going to see that which has a greater numerator, that will be the greater, and in negative, you at the end you will reverse this process. Now I reverse this process. 10 by 7 will be the smaller and 1 by 7 will be the greater. Let's solve this question. It is according to that question. Put them in sequences. So I will see their numerators are not same and denominators are also not same. So I will make them equalize. If I will say I can multiply by this with 100 and this with 1 and this with 10, so it will make them equalize. If I will multiply by this with 100, it will give me 1000, and it will be 110. This is multiplication. So if I will multiply with this with 1000, it will be the same 1000. If I will multiply this one with 10, it will give me the 1000, and this one will be 1110. Now they have same denominators. Now I will go and see the numerators, which has the greater numerator. That sign that will be the greater fraction. So they have same denominator. Which one is the biggest numerator? This one is the biggest. So this one will be the bigger than which is the next bigger number. It is 1100. So this one will be the next bigger number because it is the bigger than this one. Now at the end this one is remaining, so it is. So my today's video is finished. It is like this. I hope you understand it. So see you people in the next video.